Hello everybody, welcome back to another brand new video. It's me, Jinsuke TV here, and today guys we'll be heading to White Hills 4x4 beach to do some drone fishing and to do some 4x4. So the map will be right there. So yeah, that's where we're going, and yeah, we're gonna enjoy this trip. Let's get started guys. Hey guys, we're about to fly this drone. It's gonna be really fun. If I check here, the drone ready, and yeah, we're ready to fly this thing. Let's do this, guys. Okay guys, we're arrived at the destination. Woo.
야 빼야 돼 이거 밑에 친 거지 밑에 거.
약한데? Okay guys, so we just started setting up right there, and we're about to do some drone fishing later if we can. The sun's currently good, and that's going good. Anyways guys, I'll see you guys there when we're finished. Just finished setting up. I'm trying to film the time lapse, the sun setting down. I'm not sure if you can see. Yeah, you can't see. I don't know. Yeah, it's filming the sunset.
나올 때 깜빡했어. 원래 깜빡하면 하는 거지 뭐.
지금 뭐해?
어? 치고 있어.
Just trying to set up the tent. 텐트 날라왔어. Tent flew away for no reason.
아이, 앞치마까지 했어요. 안 가져왔냐? 안 가져왔어. 괜찮나? 차요? 아, 갤럭시가 확실히 화질이 엄청 좋다.
Okay guys, we're just gonna stand the fire and that's all. And yeah, we're pretty much gonna end it from here, and I hope to see you guys next morning. Anyways guys, we're in the fire right there. And And yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. So yeah, see you guys. See you in the morning. We didn't get anything. Sad. We didn't catch a single thing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe for more of these videos. Our next trip we'll be planning about 2 weeks or a month later. Depends on the schedule because I have to play baseball games now because you know it's my hobby. If you check my Facebook, it's very hidden though. But yeah, we're planning to go on a trip with some people you may know. And yeah, Moora River can be one, White Hills where we went again, Timsticket maybe, but it's too small. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video, guys. See ya. Peace out.